Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Livemocha, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin the registration process for Livemocha, navigate to the official Livemocha website. Once the homepage loads, look for the sign up or register button prominently displayed. Click on this button to initiate the registration form. You will be directed to a page asking for your basic information. Fill in your first name in the designated field. Next, enter your last name following the same format. Then, provide a valid email address that you frequently use. After that, create a secure password that meets the specified criteria. Confirm your password in the next field to ensure accuracy. Once you've completed these fields, check for any additional information that may be required. Livemocha may request your date of birth to verify your age. Input your date of birth in the format requested. After entering all required details, read through the terms and conditions. Make sure to check the box indicating that you agree to these terms. If applicable, you may also need to confirm your consent for receiving communications. Once you've filled everything out correctly, click on the Create Account button. A confirmation message will likely appear, indicating that your account has been created successfully. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Livemocha. Open the email and click on the provided verification link to activate your account. Following the link will take you back to the Livemocha website. You may now be prompted to log in using your newly created credentials. Enter your email address and password into the appropriate fields. Click on the Login button to access your account for the first time. Congratulations, you have successfully registered for Livemocha. You can now start exploring language courses and engaging with the community. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.